Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the calculator in Windows 10 start in a smaller dimension. Okay, so since one of the updates of Windows 10, this thing is huge every time you start it, as you can see. And it is like this, so it's easier to work with on touch enabled devices. But at this point, the PC I'm working on is a desktop PC and it's not touch enabled, so it has no point of being this huge. I want the normal size of the calculator that doesn't occupy the whole screen, so let's resize it. You go to one of the corners, and when you can see the arrows, click, left click, normal click, and drag. And make it as small as it will allow you. And this is the standard size of the calculator. And now simply close it. Start it once again if you need to. And as you can see, it always starts in the same dimension. Now, just in case this doesn't work for you and it reverts back to the huge size, then you need to go here in the notification area, click, then go to all settings, apps, in apps and features, in here search for calculator, click on it, advanced options, and scroll, and a bit lower click on reset and reset. Not sure if it needs to be closed, sorry, but it seems it already closed it and even removed it from this particular bar, so it has been reset. At this point, as you can see, my PC is doing something, so it might actually be reinstalling it in the background. Now we can close the settings and search for calculator. And we have it here once again. Click on it and voila, it's small once again for me, hopefully also for you. If it's not already small and it opens again like this, try to make it small once again from all the sides and then close it, and yeah, I should pin it again, right click and then click on pin to taskbar, and normally it should open small for you again. So that's that. Hope this video helps you. It was really annoying for me to always have that thing open in a huge way, and honestly, I didn't think that resizing it would actually resize it forever, because normally most apps, when you resize them, only resize for that particular moment you open them. If you close and reopen them, they get back to the big variant. Well, no, for calculator it remembers the new size that you set and sticks to it. So for me, sorry, this is perfect, and I hope for you also. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Again, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.